difference a week makes. Whiplash mortgage rates have not been this volatile since 1987. Slowing buyer activity, fewer contracts. It's Friday, September 30th, 2022. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Maryland Eastern Shore Report. You need to know what the local market is doing, so be sure to subscribe for weekly updates. Homes for sale fell slightly to 1,231, while days on the market climbed to 60 days. Cecil and Wicomico Counties are still seeing high buyer interest, while Dorchester and Queen Anne's fell to moderate. Worcester and Caroline remain steady, and Talbot and Somerset are slowed. Kent County still has very limited activity. Mortgage interest rates are now where they were in 2008 and quickly approaching 7%, with some loan products actually over 7%. That impact is not just hitting the buyers hard. Sellers who were considering a move are now sidelined. This continues to impact an already limited inventory in the areas. Looking at this chart, you can see that the same home last June 2021 would cost a homeowner $1,265 per month. This June, that figure climbed to $1,944. Let's take a look at the inventory movement this past week. 79 properties are coming soon, a drop from last week. 137 came to the market since last week's report, reflecting a decline in new inventory. 95 properties are temporarily off the market. 79 went under contract, dropping from last week's high. 84 properties went to pending, also a drop from last week. 132 properties sold at 98.2% list to sold ratio and in 13 days. The highest sale this past week was in Cordova for $3,500,000. Rental inventory is up again this week to 67 for lease and a rise to $1,750 per month. These have been on the market for 17 median days. Thinking about moving, you should feel confident about buying or selling a home, and my job as the expert is to provide you with the facts, data, and information and bring context to it for you. Call me and let's talk. That's a wrap for this week's Maryland Eastern Shore Report, September 30th, 2022. Thanks for tuning in. Until next week, be kind.